Good morning, everybody. I'm here at Wahkeena Nature Preserve near Sugar Grove, Ohio. It's Saturday, April 11th, about 11 a.m. Temperature is about 52 degrees. Air quality index is at 56 right now. It's a beautiful day. Everything in Hocking Hills is probably packed full today, being a nice spring day. Everything has greened up here in the last week. But here, only one other car in the parking lot. Now you see, there are hours for this preserve. No dogs, no picnicking. So let's see what spring has brought us. There's a little trail that goes off through here into the woods. You can see the parking lot is nearly empty. There is a parked truck there next to mine and one other vehicle. Stay on the designated trails, no picnic, no pets are permitted. Respect other visitors. Noise levels down to a minimum. Supervise children. Do not remove any plants or animal material. So, a lot different than a state forest. Down here to the pond. These leaves the flowers for our pollinators. Over here. Like someone's walking through the swamp. Chilly breeze. Flowers are blooming. Boardwalk through the swamp is down that way. That's the big rock. The restrooms are right back there. Maintenance building. Nature Center, which is closed right now. This gives you shows you what trails are here. Not sure what trail I'm going to do today. We'll see what's going on. They got trail maps here for you. We are right here at the moment. Probably going to go up this way. Maybe all the way around. And then back down. So, Nature Center is closed. Let's see if I can get a picture here of up in the window there. They got something, sort of a mannequin up there. looking out over everything. Nice and peaceful today. Here's where the trails start. Go up the shelter trail here. A little building here. Nice wildflowers all along the way. Spring is here finally, in full force. I don't see any water flowing. This is fed by a spring right over here, under this rock shelter. It's not the clearest water, that's for sure. Oh, it goes back in the other ways. Old outdoor kitchen. Okay, heading up into the trails here. There's a lower trail here. We're going to take the high trail. There's a nice place there. This is where the lower trail meets up. A little water flowing down the stream here. I'm going to take the shelter trail, the lower trail here. Really? Bridge full. And here we are at the shelter. Now the shelter was just refurbished last year. I believe that's about it on the shelter trail. My shelter trail goes back towards the nature center. We're going to take the Casa Burro Trail. Things are still a little bit stark on the trees. You can see they're starting to green up. But until the canopy covers the forest, we got the spring wildflowers to enjoy. Now, Wahkeena borders Rhododendron Cove Nature Preserve to the east. And as you can see up here, let me see, there's some of the cliff face and rock formations at Rhododendron Cove. But right now, Rhododendron Cove is closed because the parking lot is under construction for the gas company to put new lines in. The trailhead to Rhododendron Cove is tucked in between the gas complex over on the way here. So it is closed right now. Not sure when it's going to open back up. But when things green up, you won't be able to see any of these cliff faces up here. Whoa, it's a little too much. Here we go. You can barely see them through the trees here. Alrighty. I gotta head up here a little bit. Catch up with you here in a minute. He's circling right above me. I don't think that's gunshots I'm hearing. I do believe that's somebody pounding. And it goes through a little box canyon here. There's no way out at the end of here. It's all cliff face. You can see there are some pretty big trees in this place. Marker 10. Not the last of the cliff face. Coming to the end here. I'll meet you at the top of the hill. Here at the top of the hill. Quite a lot of trees falling here on top of the hill. Like they've been there a while. Got some benches here for those who want to rest. The orange marker is the boundary marker. That is Rhododendron Cove over there. Nature Preserve. That's where all the rock formations are at. So, I'm heading on down the Casaburo Trail back to the lake. Okay, we're nearing the end of the Castle Burrow Trail. We got the maintenance buildings down below us here. The bathrooms. And we're back here at the Nature Center right over there. Dogwood bloom on the trees. There we go. Let's see. Beautiful pink flowers. Oh, look at that. It says Nature Center open now. Huh. We'll have to go in and take a look around. Please wipe feet before entering. I don't see the lights on yet. Morning.
Hi.
How are you today?
Good, thanks. Sorry, I'll get the lights on.
Oh, you're fine, darling. You got books, got everything you want to know. Oh, there's another hiker showed up. All sorts of pictures, stickers.
Well, let me know if you have any questions about anything.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah.
We got mushrooms here. Some stuffed animals. Beaver. eastern musk turtle in there somewhere. He might be hiding. He's probably under his rock. There's a midland painted turtle. He's like, what you looking at, human? Oh, big moose antlers. Oh, that looks disturbing. The eyeball in there. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, kind of horrifying there. Black rat snake. Where's he at? Oh, he's under the carpet. He's got his head stuck out right there, looking at us. Let's see. There he is, right there. Tells you about the native pollinators. Oh, we got bees here. A beehive inside. Cool. But behind the blinds here, it says, ask a naturalist to open it for you. I got some honey. And about bees. Fireplace here. Fox. Possum. That looks like a coyote. Or is that a fox? That is a coyote. Raccoon. Tells you about the birds. Ooh, more disturbing skeletons. Bobcat, chipmunks, squirrels, meadow vole, meadow jumping mouse, red squirrel, Norway rat. There are all kinds of birds here. There's cardinal. A ruffed grouse. Cooper's hawk. Saw-whet owl. Some muskrat. Groundhog. Garter snake. Turtle. And we're back at the beginning. And we come over in this room. Tells you about Ohio, the geology, and a black bear here. Been a long time. Yeah, black bears are back in Ohio. I haven't seen them up around here yet, but I have seen them down in signs of them down in Wayne National Forest where I live. We got kingfisher, green heron. There's a black rat snake. He's poking his head out. I think that's about the end of it here. You're on the way to the boardwalk. Got a frog in the pond here. Lots of blooms, lots of blooms. Bluebells. Oh, got a closed trail over here. I'll have to come over to the shelter at the boardwalk. Give it a few more weeks and everything will be green. Ah, there's 1, 2, 3. 3 cars in the lot besides mine right now. And right around here, past this big, huge fallen tree. There's the boardwalk. This is a floating boardwalk. The lake right there. Now a few inches of water to walk through. Little frogs jumping all over the place. And back at the nature preserve. And we got some more hikers showing up. Back at the nature preserve here. I'm gonna take a little walk to the lake. It's a quiet area here. We got birds. Here's an eastern screech owl. Is he in here? Oh, he's up in his little, he's up right up there. Let's see if I can get him. He's in there. I can't really get it to focus. He's right there. And we have a red-tailed hawk. He's not happy. He does not like company. So I'm going to be quiet. Okay, I'm not going to bother him. There's the beaver pond. And you can see where the beavers have been busy building their dam around the bridge here. Oh, we got geese out here today. Things aren't focusing well. There we go. I'm diving down in there. Plenty of flowers. the pond loop here. Look out for ticks even here. Ticks love the thorn vines. And we're at the bird blind. Looking across to the bird blind, I did have a tick on my pants after walking through those thorn vines. Anytime you come in contact with thorn vines, be sure to check your clothes. Ooh, there goes a frog. There's another one. There's a big one right there. Wow. There's a robin. We got yard tools, rakes, hanging in a tree here. Going up to the spillway here. Here's where the water flows towards Rhododendron Cove. Rhododendron Cove. And it's just a short walk back to the parking area. Y'all be safe out there in the woods. I'll see you here soon.